The local station Large Market Award also went to KXAN in Austin, Texas. It's an NBC affiliate owned by Media General. The judges noted their crisp, informative coverage of women's health and the abortion debate, and gave anyone who watched it a richer understanding of the issue. Let's take a look.
Responsibility and duty to give voice to the unborn, the individuals whose survival is at stake.
What a change that signature made. Take a look. In 2011, 46 Texas clinics provided abortions. Once the law takes full effect this September, most predict there will be just 6 left, and they will be in the biggest cities. When you walk into the Whole Woman's Health Clinic in San Antonio, it's just like you're in the operating room at a hospital.
Be able to transfer somebody back to their recovery area.
The doors are wide enough for a stretcher to roll through, the spaces are much bigger, and there is even a docking bay for an ambulance. The reasons why this site will be one of just 6 clinics left performing abortions in the state.
It's a sterile environment.
But Andrea Ferrigno says early-term abortions often require only
the medical abortion pill. It's very, very simple procedure. It could be completely offered in a consultation office, in a counseling room.
Ferrigno, who helps lead this statewide health group, says they had to close down most of their clinics, including the one in Austin. It had smaller exam rooms and recliners in the recovery area. The San Antonio site was already an ambulatory surgical center, what the new law requires, no matter the type of abortion. And it can be expensive to maintain.
You have to include the cost of supplies, staffing, physical plant, and it increases to the thousands of dollars.
For each woman the clinic serves. Most are low income, and Ferrigno says Whole Woman's Health often helps them pay for the services, but it will be tough in the future.
We are expecting to see an increase in patients that will be traveling great distances to access the services they need.
Critics say closing any clinic won't actually protect women's health, but instead hurt it. Most offer a wide range of help, often for low-income patients, like cancer screenings, birth control, STD testing, and other health services. But even
Accepting for KXAN, executive producer of in-depth and investigative content, Josh Hinkle.
This is Texas. We have Texas-sized politics there, and this is by far the most exciting issue I've ever covered as a journalist. I was also a reporter when this whole issue started playing out at the legislature back in 2013. The night of this 13-hour filibuster by the woman who would eventually become the Democratic gubernatorial nominee in Texas was outrageous. I mean, there were thousands of people at the Capitol, which is unusual in Texas. We do have lots of people that show up there for very passionate issues, but nothing like this. Nothing ever in Texas history, in the history of politics of the state, had so many people come out and be so emotional. There were people being arrested. There were people chaining themselves to the balcony of, to the railing of the gallery in the Senate. The noise from the crowd was so loud that they had to shut the Senate down at some points. It was very, very exciting as a journalist, and it was very exciting to be able to share that with our viewers. And over the next year, we were able to tell viewers how the decisions that night really impacted them. What you saw there, the effect on women's health, it also spilled out into what they would be deciding at the voting booths. We had some of the major players that night were actually the ones that ran for governor and the ones that ran for lieutenant governor. And now that we're in a new legislative session, we're seeing the effects of those things as well. So really appreciate our station, KXAN, for allowing us to have this platform, this weekly television program that comes on Sunday mornings, that we are able to do that every single week and put that dedication to political journalism. I want to thank Media General as well, our news director, Chad Cross, our station manager, Eric Glassberg, our producer, Kevin Klein. He is a big part of the show, putting this together every single week. And I want to also thank the people here with the Cronkite Awards for giving us this honor. Kevin?
It's a reminder that politics affects people, and you can't forget that every single day, every one of those decisions, it's going to impact people, and you just got to ask yourself, what is the important fact about this issue, and nail it all down. So thank you.